Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to my lockpicking homeschool series. In today's video, we're going to go over what do serrated pens look like. They come in many different forms, and the first form you're going to see is going to be the serrated key pen, which you can see in 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can tell that they're serrated because there are going to be a few serrations going across the top. In number 5, you can see that it is much too short to have any serrations, so this one is going to be unserrated. So why might someone want to use a serrated key pen? Well, if you check out my video number 97, you'll be able to look up what reverse picking looks like, and these pens do a really great job at preventing that. Now, when you're moving up to the driver pens and you want to see what the serrated pens look like, the most common type you're going to run into is going to be in chambers 1 and 2. There's going to be a serrated pen that is serrated all the way down. Essentially, it looks like a standard pen which you see in 7, but it's going to have serrations that are very fine going from top to bottom. Then you can see a serrated spool in 3, 4, and 5. You can see that on the wider diameter of the spool, you're going to see a few fine serrations on the top and the bottom. You can also find half serrated pens, which you can see in 6. As you can tell, the upper half is a standard pen and the lower half is serrated, but these still work very well. And in number 7, you're going to see a standard pen. Serrated pens are really great security pens, which make it so that the low skill level attacks such as raking, rocking, zipping, and bumping are just much less effective. They're going to make it so you're going to need to more likely have to single pin pick the lock to get it open, and they're a really great addition to anyone who wants to try to improve the basic security of their lock. These pens are definitely pickable, and you can definitely get into them with single pin picking, so they're not going to be the ultimate solution for your security. But all I wanted to do today was just show you a really quick close-up on what serrated pens look like, and we're going to get into more detail on how to pick them in future videos. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.